because the light just turned off.
Ready? Start.
Yep.
Alright, so it says, so next, see a tablet of calcium glutamate in the flame. Alright, so let's get some of this stuff. Oh, it's already out perfect. Let's get in there. Alright. We got our own thing. We got our own candle. Everything for this. So, oh, and take your gloves off. I already did that, so.
Let's see if it makes a carbon snake. Wow, look at that cool flame.
That looks so cool.
Yeah, you can see like all that white stuff turning into black dust.
Oh my god, look. No, I'm sorry. There's some sparks coming off this.
It's kind of like when a wood burns and then it hardens. Look at that.
Oh my god!
It's growing.
It's evolving!
Oh my god, that's so cool.
Whoa. Can you move your hand so we can get to
Oh,
something
I
else?
was higher.
Look at that carbon snake that's happening. So what do you guys think is happening here? What's the science besides this?
I think they had some stuff in the mint, and then like when you ate it or something, like it came out like kind of like a gusher, because gushers have those things in the middle.
It's growing.
It looks like a
Yeah.
Look, you guys try to look right there.
Oh, look at that. Oh, every time I think it's going to fall over, it keeps moving.
No, my baby. My
That's
baby
amazing
snake.
how that...
Remember, you guys, to do this on this, okay?
On your work table. CJ, see the carbon snake we made?
Oh, now it's kind of weird.
Looks like a weird turd.
Yeah. It looks cool. Oh, I think I know what's happening. See all that stuff at the bottom from the mint before?
The baking soda
Yes.
That wasn't from.
with the calcium
Yeah, it's
gluconate.
taking all of that and turning it into the mint. Well, turning into
Let's just give
our
this a
snake
little-
we got there.
Carbon.
I'm pretty sure it. Let's just blow it.
Oh, looks like...
Yeah.
Look what happens when it hardens. What do you think it's going to be like when it hardens when you touch
I
it?
have.
You think it's going to fall apart?
Well, I'm not sure if it's hot.
Get out of that smoke out of
I
there.
think it might be a little hot still.
Here, can I test it?
Oh, don't touch it.
Just in case.
Can't see because your hand's in the way.
Again. But yeah, that's really cool. Wait, what? Look at this sticker. The sticker, I don't want to do this because I don't want to blow on it or anything. But the sticker is now turned.
It turned color.
Get the camera, come on. So when they mean thermal, they mean like when it's really hot. You know how it was usual, just like a triangle? Now it's a triangle with lines.
wow.
That means it's hot.
Awesome. That's
it's
cool.
getting thinner, so I'm guessing it's almost done.
Dissolving.
It's
bottom.
taking
It's
forever.
dissolving.
That's a good thing.
Yeah.
You want to see something really cool? Watch this.